By now, you may or may not realize that I'll be hosting a live Certified Executive Coach Masterclass in the near future. What I would like you to do is sign up. Sign up for the Executive Coach Masterclass. I believe it will help you better understand what it means to be a coach and what it means to be a certified executive coach. And what I'll be doing at the end of our live masterclass, it's a hybrid masterclass. You'll first watch a series of videos, and then at the end, we'll have a live masterclass session, and then we'll talk about the 3 different types of coaches and certifications that I have available. The first one is a certified executive coach, and we'll get into the details of what that means and how you as a leader can empower other leaders and help business owners or people within your workplace grow in their leadership effectiveness. A certified life coach loves to work with people. They love to help people reach their goals. And maybe someone has already told you, hey, you would make a great coach. Well, maybe the certified life coach is the way for you to go. And then number 3, certified marriage coach. If you love helping couples to work through challenges and overcome obstacles, then maybe the certified marriage coach is the right fit for you. Well, I want to invite you to our Certified Executive Coach Masterclass. Go ahead and click on the link below. Register now. It's a free masterclass. If there's any question that I can answer for you before this Certified Executive Coach Masterclass begins, go ahead and reply. Send me a message. I would love to help answer any of your questions because that's the very thing I want to do on this Certified Executive Coach Masterclass. So go ahead and register for the masterclass. Drop me a note if you have any questions at all. And I really look forward to serving you.